guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make oat milk. Oat milk is very easy to make, it's very quick, and if you buy your oats in bulk, it is very cost effective. So if you want to find out, keep on watching. Alright, let's go over the ingredients and what we're going to need. We're going to need 4 cups of water, filtered water, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of dry oats. I have soaked it. You can soak it for between 5 to 10 minutes. A high-speed blender, a nut milk bag or a fine strainer, and I'm just going to use this cup because I'm going to scoop the milk from the bowl into my container and whatever container that you're going to be putting your oat milk in. So let's get started. So like I said, you want to make sure that your oats are soaked. Even for 5 minutes, you don't need a long time to soak it. And then your 4 cups of water. You can do 3 cups of water if you want. It depends how thick you like your milk to be. I'm going to add the limit of my blender first to make sure I have everything blended nicely, and then I'll put the rest. Now all we have to do is strain it. You can, if you like the milk sweeter, you can add dates. Put 3 dates on there, or a little bit of maple syrup. But because I use the milk for all kinds of recipes, if you're gonna use it for savory recipes, you don't want to put any sweetener on it. Alright, let me go wash my hands. Alright, so I got a towel because I feel like I'm gonna make a mess. And I'm going to just pour this on the container that I'm gonna keep it in the fridge for. Not bad. And that's it, you guys. Just make sure your container that you have your oat milk seals, and this should be good for a week on your fridge, and just enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.